Welcome to Review Rumble. The best puff pastry dough is probably one of the most versatile and impressive ingredients you can have in your kitchen, transforming simple recipes into gourmet delights with its flaky layers and buttery richness. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, mastering the art of puff pastry can elevate your culinary creations, from elegant appetizers and savory tarts to decadent desserts, making every meal a special occasion and impressing your guests with minimal effort. Number 5. PrepWorks 3-piece dough press set. Introducing the PrepWorks 3-piece dough press set. This versatile set is perfect for creating pies, empanadas, dumplings, and more with ease. Each press features a convenient dough circle cutter on the back. This saves you time and effort by ensuring a perfect dough circle every time. Using it is incredibly simple, just fill, fold, and press. It effortlessly seals your dough for a neat and secure finish on all your pastries. Crafted for long-lasting use, these presses are both durable and BPA-free. You can rely on them for countless baking and cooking projects. PrepWorks is dedicated to providing innovative and practical kitchen tools. Our products are designed to simplify your meal preparation with quality and convenience. What we like. This set offers incredible versatility with 3 different sizes for various pastry types. It also features a built-in cutter for perfect dough circles, streamlining your prep. If you enjoy making empanadas, dumplings, or small pies and want a tool that simplifies shaping and sealing, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The 3 different sizes are perfect for making all sorts of treats, from Indian gujia to dumplings and ravioli. Easy to use and clean, and the results are always impressive. Works great. Spray with cooking oil to help sticky dough from ruining your empanada. Number 4. Ourokhome Stainless Steel Bench Scraper, 2-pack. Crafted from premium 430 stainless steel, this tool is built to last. It's anti-rust and anti-deformation, ensuring a sharp edge that stands the test of time for clean cuts. This versatile scraper is perfect for more than just dough. Effortlessly divide pastry, slice pizza, chop vegetables, smooth cakes, or scoop ingredients from your board. Featuring an advanced laser-engraved scale, you can easily measure and slice your dough precisely. This makes your baking process smoother and more enjoyable. A convenient conversion chart is built in for quick reference while baking. The patterned, anti-slip handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip, even with wet or floured hands. Cleaning is a breeze as it's dishwasher safe. You can also simply rinse and wipe it clean. The integrated hanging hole saves valuable kitchen space. What we like. This tool boasts a durable, sharp stainless steel blade for precise cutting of dough and other ingredients. The integrated laser-engraved scale and conversion chart make portioning and recipe adjustments effortless. If you're a baker who values accuracy, needs to divide dough evenly, or frequently checks ingredient conversions, this scraper will become an indispensable part of your kitchen. What people say. The stainless steel blade is sturdy and sharp enough to easily cut through dough, divide portions, or even scrape up flour or crumbs from the counter. The laser-engraved measurements and conversion chart are super convenient, no more guessing or searching Google mid-recipe. It's also dishwasher safe, which is a major win for easy cleanup. Number 3. Muso Wood French Rolling Pin, 15.75 inch. Experience the difference of solid European beech wood. Its robust and durable construction ensures it can handle all your baking needs with ease. Enjoy a perfectly smooth surface thanks to 3 rounds of hand sanding. Even natural wood knots feel seamless, providing a comfortable and effortless rolling experience. At 15.7 inches, it's the ideal size for effortless operation. Easily adjust dough thickness for pizzas, cookies, pies, and more without any hassle. Cleanup is a breeze with its non-stick surface and tapered ends. Simply rinse or wipe with a damp cloth and let it air dry. We're here to help. If you have any questions, our friendly customer service team is ready to assist you. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. Crafted from solid European beech wood, this rolling pin offers a smooth, natural feel for effortless dough manipulation. Its tapered ends allow for precise control and easy maneuvering around the edges of your dough. If you appreciate traditional baking tools, enjoy working with fondant or pie crusts, and want a durable, beautifully finished rolling pin, this is an excellent option. What people say. So smooth it doesn't tend to stick. The taper of it makes rolling out even large sheets of dough easy to get smooth. This makes rolling pizza dough much easier and faster. Great quality, sturdy, easy to hold and handle. It offered a lot of versatility in its uses. Much prefer the French-style pin over a handle pin for the control it provides. Number 2. Athens Foods Mini Fillo Dough Shells. Introducing the delightful Mini Fillo Dough Shells from Athens Foods. Perfect for creating elegant appetizers and desserts. This convenient pack includes 3 boxes, ensuring you have plenty on hand for your next gathering or culinary creation. Their delicate, flaky texture makes them incredibly versatile. Use them as a base for sweet or savory fillings. Whip up impressive appetizers in minutes. Simply fill, serve, and enjoy the compliments. Elevate your entertaining with these ready-to-use shells. They are a guaranteed crowd pleaser for any occasion. Trust in the quality of Athens Foods for your baking needs. These shells offer consistent results every time. What we like. These pre-made Fillo dough shells offer ultimate convenience for creating appetizers and desserts. They are ready to be filled and baked, saving you significant prep time. If you're looking to quickly assemble delicious hors d'oeuvres or sweet treats for a party or a weeknight snack without the hassle of making dough from scratch, these shells are a lifesaver. What people say. Arrived intact. Despite being delicate, all the shells arrived without any breakage. The packaging clearly did its job in protecting these fragile items during shipping. Convenience. These pre-made shells were a huge time saver. No need to struggle with making Fillo dough from scratch. Crispy texture. They baked up beautifully crisp, providing a satisfying contrast to the creamy quiche filling. Number 1. Pennant Foods Square Flat Puff Pastry Dough. Discover the versatility of our premium puff pastry dough. It's perfectly portioned for convenience and consistency in all your culinary creations. Each sheet is conveniently portioned, saving you valuable prep time in the kitchen. Achieve professional results with ease. This dough is ideal for a wide range of sweet and savory baked goods. From elegant appetizers to delightful desserts, it's the perfect base. Experience consistent quality with every use. Our dough is crafted to deliver flaky, golden brown results every time you bake. Available in a case of 120, it's perfect for busy kitchens and food service professionals. Stock up and ensure you always have this essential ingredient on hand. What we like. This product provides a large quantity of square, flat puff pastry dough sheets, ready for immediate use. Its consistent quality makes it ideal for a wide range of recipes, from savory turnovers to sweet pastries. If you're a caterer, a busy home cook, or a small business owner who frequently uses puff pastry and needs a reliable, bulk supply for consistent results, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The dough is easy to work with and bakes up beautifully. It's a great shortcut for making delicious pastries at home. The puff pastry dough is flaky and buttery, perfect for pies and tarts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.